Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to copy trading on eToro website. So if you want to do copy trading, here's a good guide on how to do that. So if you are looking for a valuable way to make trade on eToro without a trading knowledge, and yet you want to copy from the most expert around the world just to make your trade and add a valuable percentage to your income, here's a good guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is under the menu bar, tap on copy trade. Then right here you can see the list of copy trade that you can just copy from the trade. It is under stock, it is under crypto and all that, but these are the trending investors that you can copy from them. So you just gonna tap on this particular person. Okay, I think you should tap on this. And tap on this van. Then you can see this is overall. That's about 1.1k follower. There are about 46 copiers. So these are the number of people copy from him. These are the numbers of copiers and the high risk, and these are the returns and the cup of information like that. You can check his stats just for you to know the kind of person you want to choose. You want to copy trading from. And you can also check the portfolio. And you can see this portfolio. Then once you're ready with, you also have all the necessary information about the person you want to copy from. Just tap on copy. Then you can see this is the front. Then you tap on agree, and directly now you can quickly configure the amount of money you want to invest. And this is the 64. Okay, you have in next 12 months, this is what you have. This is what you came back from your return, which is 16.44% your money. You can see that. So close the investment if valuable drop below. So you can set all your differences. After that, then you cannot tap on the invest, and that is how you can copy trade on eToro. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.